Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons, who are not here today, the plumbing trade. For today's plumbing adventure, I'm back on the urinal job. It's roughed in too low. I let the owner make the decision. We can either open up the wall and raise up the rough, or we can use chrome 1-inch 90s and nipples and make it look kind of like retro. He chose the iron pipe 90 and nipples. Here we go. We're going to go install this. It's going to turn out nice, and he's actually going to save some holes in the wall and some tile repair. With that, we will see you inside. There it is. So we gotta raise the rough like this. Somebody roughed them in wrong, so we're gonna go chrome 90s, just like so. Bang. Make it look retro. Let's cut this a little bit. Had a hard time finding 1-inch chrome fittings, but we got them from California. Oh, yeah. Rubber teeth. Kind of slippery. When all else fails, you gotta cheat. Okay. Alright, baby. Alright, there it is. Get the old cheater out. Ah, yeah, baby. little leaky leaky. I don't want no blue thread, no blue Teflon showing here, so we're going to do this thin, just like so. Alright, and bang. Some black yolk. Now, it's actually in there 1 1/8 inch. 1 1/8, the key measurement. Oh, yes. Oh, what do I call that? 7 3/8, and add 1 inch, 7, 8 3/8, 8.5, 8.5. Yes, sir. We got some nice clean work today. Yes, sir. Oh. Yes, sir. Boys and girls. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on. Be nice to Daddy. There we go, boys. Oh, yeah. These are some strange pliers. Off. It's not. I don't know if I explained it correctly. So the owner decided not to open the wall to raise the rough to the proper height. So we went with the chrome retro 90 and nipple and raised the whole unit up. That's why we did it this way instead of demoing the wall. And we're all trying to order on. Now, I don't have all the nipples from Cali, so of course I can't complete the job. Alright, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Well, there you got it. We put the 90 to nipple, raised the rough, and everything turned out good on the flushometer. So, and I just checked with the missus at the home front, and we did get the other parts. So now I can complete the urinals, get this bathroom done once and for all. So with that, thank you for tuning in, and if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. We know it's going to be a long journey, but we all know Plumbing ain't going nowhere. So we will see you at the next one. Thank you.